Okay. Hi, this is Andrew again with Integrity Pro Roofing. Today we're going to be talking about removing satellite dishes from a roof. These are typically the old ones. So the first things you want to do is identify, make sure you're pulling the right dish. Otherwise you lose your service. But usually that's pretty, you know what it is, right? So we get this question a lot, especially from property management companies and people who own rental properties. But really what we do, sometimes we'll say remove the whole thing, sometimes we'll just say remove the dish, and I'll show you why. So right now we're in like a valley here, and we're on top of pretty brittle shingles. So to try to replace all this could turn into a pretty large repair, and it's really not needed at the moment. So we're just gonna actually just remove the actual dish itself. So you just come down here, there's a lot of bolts to play with. You just wanna remove these two bolts right here, and the whole thing will pull out. And we're actually gonna leave the bracket today. So if you see, there's actually tar, and these bolts are already sealed in. So if you're not experiencing a leak already, I would recommend just leaving that, given the scenario that we're in the valley. Now, if you do want to remove all these and remove the base, you can kind of watch our next video that talks about how to replace shingles, and that'll address all this stuff. It'll be the same process. Thanks.
Speed lap stuff.
Yeah.
Like look like we're superhumans. I love that.
It's my first day using these things.
First time.